If you're in dropshipping, you've probably heard of Niche Scraper, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just a product research tool, when in reality it's a full suite designed to help e-commerce sellers find trending products, analyze competitors, and even automate product listings. Here's how it works. Niche Scraper allows you to search for winning products across multiple marketplaces, providing metrics like sales estimates, engagement rates, and ad performance. You can filter by category, price, or shipping location, which helps you find products that are likely to sell quickly. The trending products section highlights items gaining traction, saving hours of manual research. One standout feature is the Chrome extension, which lets you analyze competitor stores directly. You can see their top-selling items, ad creatives, and customer reviews, giving you an edge in choosing what to sell. Niche Scraper also has a product importer that integrates with Shopify, making it easy to add new items to your store quickly. The downside is that results are only as good as your strategy. Niche Scraper can highlight products, but success still depends on marketing, pricing, and customer service. Some users also find that the tool can feel overwhelming at first due to the amount of data provided. In conclusion, Niche Scraper is excellent for serious dropshippers who want to save time, find trending products, and analyze competitors effectively. If you are ready to put in the work to turn data into sales, this platform can be a game changer. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest e-commerce tool reviews to grow your online business.